Hello viewers, welcome to Column Club Science Lessons presented by Biology Digital Buddy. We need key to get the treasure from treasure box. In the same way, students need to understand key concepts to understand the lesson properly. So, we will discuss key concepts and their definitions from Unit 1, the food we need from 6th class General Science. Let us start. Ingredients. The materials that are required to prepare food are known as ingredients. Sources of food material. The things from where we get ingredients are known as sources of food material. Example, plants, animals. Pork. The meat we get from pigs is known as pork. Beef. The meat we get from cattle is known as beef. Mutton. The meat we get from goats and sheep is known as mutton. Chicken. The meat we get from poultry is known as chicken. Spices. The aromatic parts of tropical plants that are used to add flavor and taste to the food are known as spices. Examples, cloves, pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, etc. Vegetable carving. The art of making different types of designs and decorations with vegetables and fruits is known as vegetable carving. Preservation of food. The process of treating and handling food to stop or slow down spoilage is known as preservation of food. Preservatives. The material or substances that we use in preserving food are known as preservatives. Nitrates, sulfates, salt are examples for preservatives. Junk food. Food such as pizza, burgers, chips, noodles, cake, bread, ice cream, etc. are called junk food. Boiling. A method of food preparation in which we boil ingredients in sufficient water for stipulated time is known as boiling. Rice, dal, chicken curry, etc. are the food items we prepare by the method called boiling. Steaming. A method of food preparation in which we cook food by using steam is known as steaming. Idli, pottikalu, which is a popular food item in Godavari districts, and aviri kudumulu are the food items prepared by using the method steaming. Natural preservatives. The preservatives obtained from natural sources are known as natural preservatives. Examples, salt, turmeric powder, oil, sugar, etc. Artificial preservatives. The preservatives obtained from artificial sources are known as artificial preservatives. Examples, benzoates, nitrates, sulfates, etc. Fermentation. A method of food preparation in which we use bacteria or fungi is known as fermentation. Cake, bread, curd, etc. are prepared by the method fermentation. Cereals. Food grains such as rice, wheat, and maize are called cereals. Minor cereals. Food grains such as great millet or జోవార్ ఆర్ జొన్నలు, పెరల్ మిల్లెట్ ఆర్ సద్దలు ఆర్ బాజ్రా, ఫింగర్ మిల్లెట్ ఆర్ రాగి, ఫాక్స్టైల్ మిల్లెట్ ఆర్ కొర్రలు, బ్రౌన్ టాప్ మిల్లెట్ ఆర్ అండుకొర్రలు, కొడో మిల్లెట్ ఆర్ ఆరికలు, లిటిల్ మిల్లెట్ ఆర్ కామన్ మిల్లెట్ ఆర్ సామలు, బార్న్యార్డ్ మిల్లెట్ ఆర్ ఊదలు, ప్రోసో మిల్లెట్ ఆర్ వారిగలు are called minor cereals. These minor cereals also known as millets. Pulses. Food grains such as red gram or kandulu, green gram or pesalu, black gram or uddulu, Bengal gram or senagalu, horse gram or ulavalu, and cowpeas or alasandalu are called pulses. Recipe. A set of instructions for preparing a particular food, including a list of the ingredients required for it, is called recipe. These are the key concepts and their definitions from the first unit of 6th class General Science, the food we need. In next video, we will discuss key concepts and their definitions from second unit, knowing about plants. Till then, wish you all the best, dear children. Keep watching Kalam Club Science Lessons presented by Biology Digital Buddy. This is Meda Prasad, biology teacher, signing off now. We'll meet you in next video. Bye.